Welcome to Popular History, where we unravel the past one incredible story at a time. Today, we're whisking you back to the Victorian era to expose the perilous side of pastries and puddings that lurked in the kitchens of the 19th century. It's a tale of toxic treats that's sure to astonish. The Victorian era is often romanticized for its elegance and progress, but it harbors a dark culinary secret. Baking could be deadly. In the pursuit of whiter, more appealing bread, millers commonly added alum to their flour, a practice that yielded an enticingly pale loaf, but potentially led to digestive issues and other long-term health effects for the unsuspecting consumers. In wealthier households, the quest for vibrant colors in confections resulted in the use of arsenic and lead-based compounds, with green and red sweets bringing a festive look at a grim cost. As chefs sought to impress with intricate displays, the dangers of their ingredients simmered beneath the surface. These colorful concoctions could cause anything from acute poisoning to long-term ailments, and were especially risky for children, who were drawn to the brightly colored treats. The solution to these dangers came with a combination of scientific advancement and legislative change. The early food safety movement gained momentum, leading to the landmark 1860 Food Adulteration Act and subsequent legislation that slowly but steadily purged deadly substances from British food. Meanwhile, pioneers like Thomas Wakley, founder of The Lancet, campaigned tirelessly to expose the toxic truth behind Victorian victuals. By the turn of the century, a new era of food safety dawned, transforming the landscape of food production and regulation, ensuring that the dangers that once lurked in the most innocuous slice of cake were relegated to the annals of history. Thank you for joining us on this foray into the perilous past of Victorian baking. We hope you savored the journey through culinary history and its lesser-known risks. If you did, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tantalizing tales from history, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of history with us on Popular History.